Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this tablet. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used it before, click on Continue. Now select Browse at the bottom in the middle after tapping on Got it. Lastly, just click on Download section. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!